Okay, so what I have with me here, if you don't already know, then that would be literally the most surprising news I have ever heard, ever, literally ever, is a fidget spinner. It's pink, if you can't see it, it's like in person it looks like a darker pink. On camera it's kind of light, but yeah, this is just this fidget spinner that I have. So what I first want to start off by saying about this product is that this is probably one of the most famous toys or gadgets or whatever you want to call it that I've ever come across ever in my life. Fidget spinners were very big for about a good year and a half, and honestly, they're still a pretty big product. I know I see so many of my classmates and friends and even some of my family members, older ones and younger ones, that walk around with these fidget spinners and they just play with them all the time. I know, I think the purpose for a fidget spinner was just to kind of entertain and, help out people that have a lot of like the name is in fidget problems, like people who like fidget a lot and kind of like move around, such as people with like ADHD and things like that. And I think these were just made to kind of like help out people with those problems that can't really sit still for long periods of time, and they can just sit and play with one of these while listening to like a lecture or someone talk, or maybe like in a church service or in a restaurant waiting for some food or just something of that sort. But yeah, I'm pretty sure that's what the gadget was geared towards. I know I've seen these everywhere. I've seen these in the gas station. I've seen these in the store. I've seen these when I shopped online. I've seen these in ads. I've seen these on so many social media sites. They're literally everywhere. I know all of my little siblings, they have one. One of theirs glows in the dark. One of theirs has like different prints on it. Like one of them is the American flag. The other one has like characters on it. So they make a lot of different kind of fidget spinners, but all of them are not made the same. I really like this one because it does spin for a very long time. I can start this to spin and it won't stop spinning. Like if I spun it really well, it won't stop spinning for at least a good probably 30 minutes. I like that about it because you can spin it and literally just watch it go for a very long time. I know a lot of schools didn't like seeing these all the time because, with a lot of kids who can't pay attention, they would have these and then they would probably get the attention of other students who didn't have them, and so they would play with them all the time, and so some schools started taking them away. But for a lot of older kids and people who are in older grades, like people that are probably not in elementary school or maybe middle school even, these are really good to have. I mean, if you really need one, probably just talk to a teacher or something like that and let them know hey, I'm just gonna use this just to kind of keep my focus and help me be a lot less fidgety during a class or church or something. Tell your mom hey, I'm gonna just use this so I can kind of sit still during church and have my mind be on kind of almost two things at once, so I'm not so fidgety and playing with something in my hands. I don't know if you know, but most fidget spinners, their design is very small. It can literally fit in the palm of your hand. So you can just place this in your pocket or, in a bag, or honestly, you could just carry it around with you. It's so good for just taking anywhere. It's so good for traveling. You can literally have this in your hand and most people won't even know that it's in your hand until you start playing with it. I know most fidget spinners come in like little packages or something like that. I actually got this from a friend, and she was like, hey, I know you're always kind of fidgety during class, and this is one of those things where like so many people have them because they can't sit still. So this is just for you. And I was so happy because I was like, wow, the most famous like little gadget in the world, I finally have one. And I just honestly, I played with it more than I thought I was going to, just because it catches your attention and it keeps your mind busy while you're doing other things. And I really like that because your mind can wander off very quickly into something else. And that's what I like about this, because even if your mind is kind of stuck on playing with the fidget spinner, you can literally snap out of it so quick and get back to whatever you're doing, because it's only one thing and it's only spinning and there's not a lot to the fidget spinner. It just kind of catches your attention and makes sure it stays on one thing. Despite popular belief, just because this toy is very popular, it was not very expensive. And I really like that about it because, it's something that honestly kind of just spins in a circle, and why would you want something super expensive that just spins in a circle? And so many places try to sell this for so much money, but this was honestly very cheap. And I really like that because it spins for such a long time, and just kind of have it sitting in your hand and just let it spin by itself. So literally anyone can use this. Like I said, my family has it who's older and younger than me, and they love it just as much as I do. And I really love it. I really do. So again, this is just like a little pink fidget spinner that I've had for a while now, and I love using it.